the things that are important for your customers, you must know them, your team must know them, and your this detailed inquiry form will help you in identifying those things which are important for your customers. How to use this? I strongly recommend using this tool for each and every visitor, each and every prospective customers that walks in to your project. It is that important, because later on when we talk about purchasing cycle, if you are not having backup information, you won't be able to get that customer down the line after 1 month or after 2 months or after 3 months. And I want you to not lose customers simply because you don't have any information about them. You don't know what they want, you don't know what they are interested in, or you don't know what are the things that are important for them. I don't want that to happen, and for that you need this detailed inquiry form.